Hi friends, I am Aishwarya Sunil Bivalkar, welcoming you to my channel The Joy of Cooking. Today I will be showing you all 3 salad recipes using lettuce leaves. All 3 are really very easy to make and deliciously yummy recipes. Let's start. Watermelon and cheese salad. We require watermelon, which is cut into cubes, lettuce leaves, oregano, chili flakes, basil, salt, cheese cubes, processed cheese, and balsamic vinegar. So now, in a mixing bowl, we'll take our watermelon, chopped roughly, cheese cubes. This is processed cheese. You may use feta cheese, mozzarella cheese, whichever cheese you like. Then salt, oregano, chili flakes, very little. You may avoid that if you want to. Basil, and give it a quick stir. Now after mixing it, I'll add the balsamic vinegar to it, very little, and then mix it well. Now I'll add the lettuce leaves. I have tore them roughly in small pieces and mix everything well. And this is how our watermelon cheese salad is ready. Veg salad with mustard dressing.
Now for the salad we require potatoes. These are boiled, peeled and finely chopped potatoes, not that fine actually, cut into cubes. Then this is iceberg lettuce. This is tomatoes. I have chopped them into cubes. This is carrots. I have just boiled them a little. And these are olives. And this is basil. For the dressing we require olive oil. You may use normal oil, but olive oil will enhance the flavor of the dressing. This is vinegar. Black pepper powder. You may use white pepper powder if you want to. This is mustard sauce, and which contains honey, and this is salt. So let's start with the recipe. So in a mixing bowl, we'll just take our olive oil. This is 6 tablespoons of olive oil. Then 2 tablespoons of vinegar. Then 1 teaspoon of mustard. I'll add some pepper, black pepper powder, about 1/4 teaspoon, and salt as per taste. Whisk it and our dressing is ready. Just make sure that everything combines really well. This is ready. So in a mixing bowl, another mixing bowl, we'll take our potatoes, tomatoes. Now you may also use French beans, but just make sure that you cut them into halves and then boil them. And I'm taking carrots. Then I'll add some olives. Some basil. Now if you don't have basil, you may add oregano, or again you may repeat this black pepper powder. Okay. Salt as per taste. Okay. And we'll mix this well. Just toss it properly with 2 forks. And now we'll add some lettuce leaves. We'll just tear them and add it. Bite-sized pieces. Yes. And our healthy salad is almost ready now. Just toss everything well. Let everything combine well right now. So now our dressing, as I said, is ready. We'll just whisk it a little and then we'll pour it on our salad. Now you may store this dressing for about 7 days in the refrigerator in an airtight container. Okay, perfect. And then again toss it well, and our salad is ready. Okay, now
Veg salad. For that we require iceberg lettuce, tomatoes, cucumber, balsamic vinegar, black pepper powder, salt. In the mixing bowl I will take the cucumber and tomatoes, add salt to it, add some black pepper powder and mix it well. Then add lettuce leaves. I am going to tear them into bite-sized pieces. And mix it well. To this I will add the balsamic vinegar and combine well. And our veg salad is ready. So this is how our 3 healthy salads using lettuce leaves are ready. Please do like my video, subscribe to my channel The Joy of Cooking. Hit the bell icon for notifications of the new videos that I share. Follow me on Pinterest, Instagram and Facebook. I am Aishwarya Sunil Bivalkar signing off. Take care, stay tuned and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.